Welcome to the new campsite. So, we got out of the marsh there, canoed down here, parked there. We're gonna be staying here the rest of the night. Here's Samuel. We have a nice swimming thingy. Let's take a tour.
It's like the best campsite we've been to.
Flip.
Oh.
Oh no, I haven't been there.
Wait, where? Bathroom?
Oh gosh.
Bye.
Alright. We finished shelter. That means fire's next. And then food. That's where Sam and I are sleeping. That's where the men are sleeping. Even though I think I should be in that one. Really nice. The sun's hot too. Alright. Let's go
We're gonna
check out the toilets.
No, they're like actual bathrooms here. They're like the best
Oh, what is that?
bathrooms here.
Oh, there's a chipmunk. Alright. You can see, go to the washroom. Except, obviously, they don't have an outhouse here. So if you want to go number 2.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Oh, look at that. Oh, it's gonna smell. There it is. That wooden box. I am not using the washroom anytime I am here. Oh, there's like moss on it. Oh, what a shame. Okay, we gotta pick up some dry stuff. How is it? Carrots?
It's got to insert your greens there. Get a Sharpie and write insert your greens here.
I have to charge the GoPro.
Because you have no choice, you got to insert something.
So yeah, this is where we're staying the rest of the nights. And then the big day Saturday. So we go all the way back.
Two portages.
We did another portage. That was before, oh no, we saw that. And yeah, we're gonna get the fire going. See you later.